Welcome back. Continuing the news. Despite the fallout from remote learning, officials from the Ministry of Education are insisting that adequate preparations have been made for students sitting the Primary Exit Profile PEP exams. On Tuesday, TVJ News visited the Mona Heights Primary School in St. Andrew, where ministry officials were on hand to observe face-to-face classes. Shamela Pullen reports.
In 2 weeks, 201 students from Mona Heights Primary School in St. Andrew will be sitting the Primary Exit Profile PEP exams. But although the school was opened for face-to-face classes on Monday, 81% of the students continued online classes.
For the blended approach, we facilitate on a daily basis about 80 of our students. But the good thing about this is when the children come in for face-to-face, we still have those who are home. We're still engaging them, and it's not done asynchronously. So we are engaging our children, at all times.
It's not just students at Mona Heights Primary preparing for their PEP exams, but the school has opened its doors to others needing help. Last November, the Gordon Town Main Road in St. Andrew was cut off following a series of land slippages due to heavy rains. This has affected several students returning to school since Monday. As a result, the Mona Heights Primary School decided to step in and help students from the Louise Bennett Coverley All-Age School by allowing them to use their facilities to prepare for the exams.
We have those students who live in the Papine vicinity, in the Papine area, which is beyond the breakaway where the school is located. So, hence the preparation that we made to accommodate them here.
So where are the other students?
The other students will be utilizing the campus as soon as the Ministry of Health has approved. They're being accommodated there. They're currently engaged in online activities. We have a few too whom we have accommodated at the Resource Center in Gordon Town.
The issue of online learning continues to be a major challenge for those doing online classes, but the Education Ministry is confident that the students have been adequately prepared for the exams.
I am not worried at all, because I am confident in the ability of our teachers. I'm confident in the provision that we have made. Children, they are adaptable. And as you can see in the classroom, you couldn't tell that these children didn't belong here. So we are very positive. We have been following them with all this support that we know that they need to ensure that they do well. So I am confident that they are going to do extremely well.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.